Robert Anthony Plant CBE, born the 20th of August 1948, is an English singer, songwriter and musician, best known as the lead singer and lyricist of the rock band Led Zeppelin. Plant enjoyed great success with Led Zeppelin from the late 1960s to the end of the 1970s. He developed a compelling image as the charismatic rock and roll frontman, similar to contemporaries such as Mick Jagger of the Rolling Stones, Roger Daltrey of The Who, Jim Morrison of The Doors, and Freddie Mercury of Queen. With his mane of long blonde hair and powerful, bare-chested appearance, Plant helped to create the god of rock and roll, or rock god, archetype. Although Led Zeppelin dissolved in 1980, Plant occasionally collaborated with Jimmy Page on various projects in later years, including forming a short-lived all-star group with Page and Jeff Beck in 1984, called the Honeydrippers. They released an album called The Honeydrippers, Volume 1, and the band had a No. 3 hit with a remake of Phil Phillips' tune, Sea of Love, plus a follow-up hit with a cover of Roy Brown's Rockin' at Midnight. A powerful and wide vocal range, particularly evident in his high-registered vocals, has given Plant a successful singing career spanning over 50 years. In 2008, Rolling Stone editors ranked him number 15 on their list of the 100 best singers of all time. In 2011, Rolling Stone readers ranked Plant the greatest of all lead singers. In 2006, Hit Parader magazine named Plant the greatest metal vocalist of all time. In 2009, Plant was voted the greatest voice in rock in a poll conducted by Planet Rock.